Hey guys, welcome back. Hope you had a good day in the market. It's Thursday, January 20th. We're talking about what's going on with this market. Everything's coming down. Go over some Gamestop, some TA, some options, sub up, like up. Comment down. Happy money sticks around. Nailed it. Yeah, we're gonna I'm probably gonna stream tomorrow during market hours, so if you're around, probably stop by and join the stream. We have a Twitter you can follow us on at HappyMoneyYT, as well as a Discord server in the description. Yeah, tomorrow I might have to roll some big Tesla moves. We'll see. I'm still hopeful Tesla will continue this trend down today. SPY rallying up, and then when it was doing this, it was up like 1.5%. I just thought this is going to be a big round trip because I did not see this lasting. And sure enough, we're coming in. Now it's about 45 minutes to close, and it's been selling off. This kind of started here. This is when Peloton news came out. CNBC dropped that they were suspending production. So Peloton lost a bunch of value. Big reds. Options were in the thousands of percent. Crazy. Look at this, 11,000% on the 23 puts today. I actually almost jumped in on some of these. I had it pretty early. I was looking at these. Sometimes I've played the news ones. It's been a long time since I have. But anyways, this will probably have continuation, especially if the market's red. But I expect probably a bounce tomorrow, and then maybe looking for some downside exposure on Peloton. It even affected Affirm too, and I think maybe just because a lot of people are financing these Pelotons. I'm not sure, but Affirm really dumped also on the news. Anyways, that's kind of how this whole thing started around there, and then around here there was news that US is sending Ukraine weapons to basically fight Putin. So I think that was about it. I mean, that being said, the market's just been in a bearish trend for the SPY since, I guess, beginning of January. And I mean, the rest of the market's been, a lot of the market's been down, quite a bit, like 50% down. Netflix is a good example of that. SPY has been propped up by a certain few stocks, but about half the market's already had a huge correction. So SPY is now starting to see it. Big tech that's been propped up is now starting to come down. Probably need to get exposure to some of that stuff. I think it's probably like Apple, Amazon, Google. Apple started to, but yes, it's all kind of lagging behind, say like Netflix. Speaking of Netflix, they do have earnings today after close. I'm into a pretty red market. Not sure. We'll see what happens. They up their pricing, but we're not going to see that reflect in their earnings. It's really probably just going to depend on their guidance. Netflix has already like sold off basically 50% in the last 3 months though, since November. So, yeah, we'll see how that plays into the market. Tesla's another one that hasn't really come down. It's kind of stayed propped up with the SPY, probably part of it. TA on the SPY. I mean, SPY is now getting pretty oversold after today's move up and down. 34 on the RSI. It could come down more for sure. 30 below 30 is considered oversold. But when it's this stretch from the 9 moving average, it likes to pull up. So maybe, I don't know, see what happens tomorrow. Might open down and kind of rally back up, have a little bounce to slow this move down some. But yeah, it's pretty bearish, man. This has been a big move. So we should have a bounce before close also. On the 5-minute, this thing's way oversold. It's hitting that support right there too, that 451. So probably bounce here, and then maybe red Friday, red Monday. GameStop, we'll see if it holds this support. It did flip bullish on the hourly yesterday as far as MACD, and then today we confirmed it with green candles over the 9, which is all good. That being said, if you zoom out though, it's still in a definitely bearish downtrend. This is consolidation we're seeing, which is good. However, this could be consolidation before more down. Too soon to tell. if you're looking at the failed delivers and pickle stream and SLD period and all those other factors, you think it's just going to go up, which, yeah, it could. But as far as TA, it's still definitely everything's pretty much downward momentum except for the hourly, maybe some shorter time frames. Well, 30 minutes now flip bearish. Hourly still pretty good though. And daily still bearish, but since it's so oversold, that's why I'm expecting a bit of a bounce. And we got some of it today, but then it kind of reversed with the rest of the markets. You know, GME just kind of came down with the SPY and stuff. So that's where we're seeing that. 104 is that support that we kind of doubled on before, 104.40 or 105.61. We'll see if the SPY really gets into these oversold levels next, you know, Friday and then Monday, and starts accelerating to the downside. GME might make a lower move. We might see 95, 92. I don't know. Maybe see some lower supports. Hard to imagine it'll last too long just with how low this RSI already is on the daily. So, yeah, that's the TA I got on that. Options, we're waiting. Tomorrow's, again, I said I'm going to stream. Swing by, hit the thumbs up, and chat if you'd like. Tesla, though, I need it below 990 by tomorrow close. It's it might be close. We'll see. Gonna be a little tricky because it's a pretty large position, so they'll probably, my account will probably, E-Trade will probably close it for me early, so I'll be fighting them on that. Rolling it over could be tough though too. Didn't do anything today. Great day in the trading world if you don't do anything, unless you're a scalper, day trader, and you're successful. Otherwise, over trading is a big problem. Here's our bear SPY play that we've had for a while. We're just basically rolling this. I've been rolling this one for a bit, but I think this time it'll finally be good. It was not a huge play, but SPY is nice and easy to roll. Tight spreads, cheaper option chain. This is a 468, 470, and that's next Friday. Next Friday expiration. So I think SPY will be below that. But the Tesla one, the 990, yeah, 990 by tomorrow. And then I actually opened up another bearish play on Tesla, 875, 905. I opened that up yesterday. So this is if Tesla fills that gap down there at 880-ish. And that'll be nice. Didn't open anything up today on GME. I'm trying to keep my margin high enough in case I do need to roll the Tesla. I want to keep some of that. Birds had a little rally today, up 5%. They had good news. They basically upgraded their battery management system. So now it can run lots of diagnostics and basically gives them tons of data and stats on battery health and humidity sensors and all sorts of stuff. So basically it'll extend the life of the batteries and the scooters just in general, because if they see with their moisture sensors, if it's getting wet or something or whatever, they can basically pull power, they can shut it off, they can restrict it and do all sorts of stuff to extend the life of the batteries. And that's kind of a big cost on those if you're following birds at all. So yeah, it's looking good. Horse Air rallied today. I think they had a price target increase. I can't remember what that was, but yeah, we'll be streaming tomorrow. We'll see what happens with the rest of the market today. Honestly, this has been a pretty big move to the downside in the last hour here. We've got 40 minutes left. Thanks so much for watching, guys. We'll see you on Discord. Peace out.